So in this video we'll just set up the DJI mic. So just to recap, two windscreens, one USB cable, a 3.5 mm cable to connect it to the cameras, some paperwork, start guide, the warranty regulations and safety guides, carry pouch, and the mic itself, DJI mic itself with two transmitters and one receiver, and in another few things I'll be showing in detail. So yeah, so this is the mic. Open it. So components outside this is so the inside components. There's a charging case. There's a receiver, two transmitters, cable adapter for lightning cable, Android, Apple devices. This is a Type C adapter, and there's a horseshoe clip for attaching the receiver to the cameras. So as you can see, all these are placed in this. So you can see the 4-point charging points for the first transmitter and second transmitter. This is the place to keep the both uh, cable adapters, the lightning and the USB Type C. This is power port, charging port for the receiver. You can keep this. So all in compact, you can take it everywhere, just on the go. As you can see, there are four indicator LED lights for to show the percentage of battery. So let's try to connect. So you can see this is the receiver. On the side you have power button and a Type C charging port. Underneath you have 4 points. This is the charging, right? And this side you have the aux cable in and out for the DSLR or other cameras. Coming to the receivers, transmitters. So this is the mic, and this is the 3.5 mm jack output. So on the side there's a power button and Type C. This can be used for charging as well as taking the data from the uh, mic. On the other side you see a linking button and a record button. Below is the charging thing. There's a clip, and this is a magnet. You remove this and use it for a magnet. So it's both the same. As I said, there is a horseshoe for the attaching to the clip to the attaching the receiver to the camera. So just first let's on and pair it. I'm pressing the power button. Receiver is on now, showing battery and mode, and there is this thing. Now let's connect. So I am powering on this mic, and you can see that the indicator showing one signal good strength, and this indicator that it is connected to the receiver. Let's on the second mic, second receiver. You see green light, and you can see number 2 displayed here with the signal strength about the battery strength of the mics, the green. And when you are recording, if you press this button on the right, you can see a small red light here and a record option in here. If you record into the second transmitter, starting the record, now you can see the both mics are on recording here and here and can be used. So if you double tap the record option, it becomes mute. And I should stop the recording of the mic too and stop checking out the recording of mic stuff. And as soon as you open, so let's connect this to any of the devices. So first let's connect the lightning cable. You can see the arrow mark here and the arrow mark on the adapter this way. Just slide in such a manner and the connection is now on. So on the screen when you press this, now it's connected. I'll connect this to my iPad just to show. You can see it's connected now. Now I'll remove this. This is a touch screen. Lock and unlock. Now shall we lock it? I'll remove this now. Connect the type C behind. Same manner with the arrow showing up. Connected. Let's connect. I'm taking one of my old phones, connected into the type C. Okay. After connecting, and you can see I'll be attaching the audio files of the quality of the recording. So coming to attaching the windscreens, on the back you can see a groove, and on the mic here also you can see as well. Just attach it in such a way I attached, locked. See, now the windscreen is on and you can use it if the recording place is too windy. This way, attach the other mic too. So yeah.